Today I wanted to show you how to marinate and cook a Peruvian style chicken. So you have some chicken breast, good quality, okay, all clean. Take the bone out and leave the skin on there. And then for your sauce and your marinade, just put a little bit of oregano inside, some sliced garlic, Spanish hot paprika, some cumin, some red chili, some fresh lime inside, then we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, red vinegar, some honey, and I love this one, which is the garlic salt. Adds a lot of flavor to anything that you're cooking. Then what you want to do is mix it up. And what we're going to do is place our chicken breast inside. And you want to let it marinate about 1 hour, 2 hours. Even if you want to make it and put it overnight in the fridge is fine too. You want all the flavor to absorb and go inside there. Okay, to cook it now, once your chicken has marinated for a few hours and absorbed all the marination and the flavors inside, this is very easy for you to do at home. You can just buy a little grill pan like this. You don't have to light the whole barbecue grill. And then what you want to do is skin down so as to sear that. The meat becomes very juicy and tender. Get your skin cooked a little bit more at a low heat, not too high. You got to remember you have some honey in there. Wait, silly. You got to remember you have some honey inside, so it will caramelize the meat with all the spices and the flavor. And got a little bit of color, place it on a pan and then go into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes to fully cook the chicken. Cook this for about 8 or 10 minutes at 180 degrees so you can see the chicken has a beautiful color to it. Crispy on the outside, inside will be very, very juicy. To serve this dish, I've made a little bit of a green sauce, which is basically a little bit of mayonnaise, sour cream, coriander, avocado, cumin, garlic, and a little bit of chili. And you can serve it anything you like. Some potatoes, some rice. But what I like, if you want to do something light and healthy, you can do some organic spinach, which can be very decorative, look good, and also taste good. Just garnish it with the fresh spinach leaves. A little mini salad. And then we've got some marinated tomatoes we can put for color and taste. If you want to serve the rice or potato with it, also good. And then I like to just drizzle a little bit of chili oil to give the color and the taste to the dish. And that is a Peruvian marinated grilled chicken with green salsa, fresh organic spinach, tomatoes, and chili oil.